You will be amazed by this 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. Make every drive count in this comfortable, capable Lincoln Nautilus, the midsize two-row crossover that brings you the luxury of a sedan and an SUV. At home, in the city, or exploring scenic byways, this spacious, well-equipped vehicle is your calm oasis in a hectic world. Get into this stylish Nautilus and indulge yourself in the luxury you deserve. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.